Hi, I'm Michael Johnson with OrthoPro, and I'm honored to share with you how we participate together with the St. Luke's Health Foundation to support children with special needs in our community. The St. Luke's Health Foundation is a nonprofit organization ensuring that 100% of every single donation goes directly into the funds that the donors specify. No overhead, operating costs, or salaries are deducted from donations. We are committed to providing better health for the people in the communities we serve. We appreciate the opportunity to provide a worthwhile service to many families in need, and thank the St. Luke's Health Foundation for helping us in our endeavors to help children with special needs receive the therapy and equipment they might not otherwise be able to receive. Together, we are creating a brighter, healthier future for our children.